Congratulations on purchasing iTalkBB AIjia wireless outdoor security camera. In this video, we will show you how to install your AIjia system in just 5 simple steps. When unboxing the AIjia system, you will find the following items. Open the battery compartment and insert the battery. When charging, the indicator blinks red. When the camera is fully charged, the indicator turns off. Download and install iTalkBB AIjia app from your App Store. Use your account name and password to log in. Select Add Device, then scan the QR code. You can find the QR code on the back of the packaging or in the battery compartment. Follow the instructions and connect the device to your home Wi-Fi network. Hold the sync button on top of the camera for about 5 seconds. After you hear the voice prompt and see the indicator starting to blink blue, continue to the next step in the app. Wait for the device to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. After the device is added successfully, you're ready for outdoor installation. There are 3 aspects to consider when choosing an ideal location for installation. First, to avoid useless motion detection and video footage, make sure not to point the camera to a public street. Second, select a location with strong Wi-Fi coverage. Third, select an unobstructed location with a clear vantage point. Prepare the items and tools for installing the mount. Use an M6 bit to drill a pair of 2-inch deep holes. Hammer in the plastic anchors and insert the screws to keep the mount in place. Attach the camera to the magnetic mount. You can adjust the angle with the live video feed in the app. iTalkBB AIjia Home Security Service. Your home at your fingertips.